Hello, Nikolai Markovich from Echolake Technologies, echolaketech.com. And this is probably going to be the final video in this video series on how to create a calendar app. And in this final video here, what we're going to do is continue on from the last video where we had an email sent to the client as well as you, the owner of the calendar, to confirm the appointments. So what we're actually going to do is I have a copy of an email that the app would have sent. So the subject is confirming the time. I have a little note here, the information on the client, phone number, and so forth. And you'll notice in the prior video I mentioned that we're going to provide a link for the appointment, and basically this is the link here that would show up in the email, and I'm going to get to that in a moment, because you can see in the link there's actually this page, delete appointment, and we need to create that page, which we are going to do right now. So the delete appointment page is here, and what we're going to do is simply I'm going to make a text field here, and we're just going to add some content on here. So we'll do the client name. We'll do the start time, end time, subject, and comment. That, and I'm actually going to go make these all bold. I'm just going to change the color here, and like that. Okay, and what we're going to do is come over here. Actually, I'm going to go and update this to say information, and you'll see here now that we have this current page calendar event. So basically, I could pick user information, but since we're talking about calendar event information, we're taking the current page calendar event information or data. And this is one of the nice, powerful things with Bubble is, as a client, you don't need to log in to get this information, because Bubble is providing that data to this page via this current page calendar event. So calendar event, and the client name, first name. And I'm actually going to go and also add the last name. I'm just going to keep on going through and doing the current page start time. Where is start time? And on this one, I'm actually going to do the format. And we've done this format in a couple of other videos. So hopefully this is feeling somewhat familiar at this point. And go to the end. Like that. Okay, good. And the end time. Actually, I'm going to, yeah, I keep doing that. I was going to try something here. Let's see, current page. End time. Oops. Custom. That. Get rid of this. Okay, the subject. Subject. Comments like that. I'm just going to take a peek on here. Give a little space. I'm also, I just like to go and change the color of the dynamic data, so it kind of sticks out a little bit better for the user. That first name, and then you'll see, so current page calendar events first name, and then current page calendar event last name. You need to put a space in there like that. Okay, save that. Oh, and I saw this issue the other day. I'm not sure why Bubble is doing this, because usually when you change any of these dynamic fields, which I didn't think I did, but if you change it, then you get that pop-up warning that I just did from Bubble. So I don't know if there's a glitch. Modified. So what is it on this that it doesn't like? Changing. So yeah, I think that's just something that I'm going to kind of monitor for some of my apps, because I don't know if this is a bug in Bubble. Here. Okay. Good. All right. So now I actually have a page up here. So this is actually the delete appointment page, and there it is, like that. So again, what this allows is you, or the app, when it sends out the email to the client and the client doesn't have a login, they don't need to set up an account or anything for this app, they'll get an email, they'll get this link here, and this link has this information on the event, and when you come to this page, delete appointment page, it will show the that information based on this data that's up here. So Bubble's intelligent enough to know. Now what I want to do next is I'm going to add 2 buttons, and one of the buttons is going to be cancel appointment, and the other one is going to be make reserve. Okay, and I'm going to start with this new appointment, and I'm basically going to navigate and go to the page, calendar, data and send, current user, just like that. So when the user comes to, your client comes to this page, they can look at the information, they can cancel it or reserve a new appointment. Now let's do the cancel. So in this workflow, what we're going to do is we're going to do data and delete a thing. And the thing we're going to be deleting is the current calendar's event. Now, when we do that, I also want to send an email. So we'll send an email to this current calendar event creators email. So this is basically you as a owner of the app to go send you an email, since you created these events time slots. Sender name is going to be calendar event first name, and I'm going to put space in there. Again, we do this because your clients don't have an account, so the information on your clients is associated with the calendar event. So we use the calendar event, first name and last name, to capture that information. And what we're going to do is send your client an email as well. Canceling appointment for the start date and time, then formatting it. This. So then when the email comes through, you'll see in the header the information that, and then basically I need to cancel this appointment. Thank you. And then we'll just put the person's first name. Okay. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put their email and I'm going to put their phone number. And that phone number formatted as this phone like that. Let's go to the editor, clean this up a little bit. Yeah. And then when I'm done, I'm actually going to, after the event is deleted, I am going to automatically send them to the calendar page. All right. So basically what we've done is we've got the link from the email. Your client clicks on the link. They come to this page. They get this information on the appointment. And they can either cancel the appointment or reserve a new appointment. If they cancel the appointment, it'll delete the appointment, and then it's going to send them to the calendar to create a new appointment if they want. So let's try that. Actually, so this here would be your view as the owner of the calendar, and you can see that we've got this event here for the 8th at noon. And if this works, you will see that we are going to cancel this appointment. It's gone, and it doesn't show up. And let's see, did it delete it here? And it's gone from here as well. So it worked as intended. So this is basically the end of this video series on how to create a simple calendar app, appointment app. So we've gone through, we've learned how to create the calendar, create user accounts, set up repeating groups on here as well, just going back to here and showing the repeating group and the drop down, dynamic searching for the drop down. So we've actually covered quite a lot of different parts to creating apps within Bubble. And now we effectively have a fully functional app in which you can go and create available time slots for your clients, and then your clients can go in and select a time slot that works best for them. Emails will go out, and they can manage the time slot. They can delete it, as we just showed in this video. So quite a bit of functionality, and all of this was done in just under 2 hours. So you can see how quickly using Bubble you can create apps that provide some functionality. So hopefully you've learned quite a bit, and this video series has helped you on your journey to become a better developer using Bubble. So again, I thank you for your time, and we'll look for more videos in the future on some different apps. If you have any questions, certainly leave a comment below. As always, a thumbs up would be appreciated if you like this video, and we will see you in the next video series. Thank you.